A sensation of pain or uneasiness in the head is termed as a headache. Headaches can occur in different areas of the head and can vary in intensity. The incidence of headaches also varies greatly. Sometimes it can feel like a sledgehammer pounding on your skull or a sharp biting, repetitive stab that sears through your brain. In those moments, you might just try about anything to make it stop. We found a totally strange thing that apparently works. There are certain pressure points around your head and body, and you can help your headaches go away just by massaging these points. First, take a comfortable position and relax. The massage doesn't take much time, from 30 seconds to 1 minute on average. The Yin Chang point, where your third eye is. The Zanzu point, the inner point where your eyebrows start. The Yin Shang points, on either sides of the nostril in line with the eyes. The Chaianzu points, in the back of your head near your hairline at the beginning of the spine. And the Heigu points, the fleshy points of your hand between your thumb and pointer finger. You can try also these tips and get to feeling better fast. Drink lots of water. Headaches can be caused by dehydration, so the first thing to do is hydrate and take in plenty of fluids. Research suggests 16 to 32 ounces is the average amount of water needed to feel hydrated. Start by taking small regular sips and you should feel better in a couple of hours. Lights out. If a dark room or shade isn't available, shade or cover your eyes. Again, this protects you from light and visual disturbances which can add to your activated triggers. Photophobia or sensitivity to light is a very common migraine symptom. With photophobia, light actually hurts and it makes migraine pain worse. Keep stress to a minimum. Stress can be a significant trigger. Stress releases many chemicals in the brain that can either trigger migraine or make migraine worse. During stressful times, chemicals including epinephrine and cortisol are released into the blood. And as stress from the work week subsides and the decline of the chemical, people may experience a weekend headache and sometimes refer to as a let-down migraine, says Ahmed. Get a full night's rest. If headaches are a common occurrence, it might be worthwhile to consider what habits need to be tweaked to lessen their frequency. Sleep can be a huge factor when it comes to headaches, and too little sleep too often can set someone up for some serious pain. Make getting a full night's rest a top priority, and if a headache is happening right now, lie down and get some rest. Try a vitamin B2 supplement. High doses of vitamin B2 have been shown to decrease migraines. Taking 400 mg per day of the nutrient riboflavin had a positive effect on adult migraine patients. Deep breathing. Stress can increase muscle tension, dilate blood vessels, and trigger headaches, and tension headaches are often associated with stress. Tension headaches can include pain in the forehead, the scalp, and the neck. If stress is behind your headache, deep breathing techniques may help you relax. Something as simple as slowing down your breath. Peppermint. Peppermint has calming and soothing properties that can aid in the treatment of a headache. Peppermint can be taken as a tea or you can use peppermint oil. Peppermint oil can be massaged gently into your temples, jaw, and the back of your neck. In addition, you may like to inhale peppermint steam. This can be very beneficial and can also help with symptoms that often accompany headaches such as nausea and vomiting. Try some caffeine. If you're a coffee drinker and you've skipped your daily dose of Zoe, your body might start screaming at you by developing a headache. You might have to give your body some caffeine in order to make the headache go away. Unless you are trying to give up coffee. In that case, you will just have to grin and bear it until the headache subside. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for our future content. Thank you.